Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, 1 large onion, and 1 or 2 Scotch bonnet peppers for that authentic kick. Don't forget your protein of choice, perhaps 1 pound of beef, and about 1 cup of vegetable oil. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, and a blend of spices like curry powder, thyme, and 2 bouillon cubes to enhance the flavor profile. Now, let's prepare the stew's flavorful base. Begin by thoroughly washing and roughly chopping your tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Next, blend these vegetables until you achieve a smooth, uniform puree. Transfer this blended mixture into a clean pot and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Continue boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until most of the water has evaporated, leaving a thicker, more concentrated paste. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. With our base ready, it's time to fry it to perfection. In a separate, large pot, heat about 1 cup of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add some sliced onions and fry them until they become translucent and aromatic, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, carefully pour in your boiled tomato mixture and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir everything together and continue frying for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil begins to float on top, indicating the stew base is well cooked. Finally, let's bring everything together for a delicious finish. Add your pre-cooked protein, such as 1 pound of beef, along with its flavorful stock, to the fried stew base. Stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 bouillon cubes. Mix thoroughly, cover the pot, and allow the stew to simmer gently for about 15 minutes, letting all the flavors meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Your authentic Nigerian stew is now ready to be served hot with rice, yam, or plantains. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.